In order to send Google Drive link to an email, what you want to do is you want to first of all begin writing your email. Go ahead and include a subject line and enter in the email you want to send this to. So once you went ahead and finished writing your email, here's what you need to do in order to add your Google Drive link. So you want to go ahead and press over here where it says insert files using Drive. And then it is going to open up your Google Drive right over here. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the file. And you guys will have two different options. So you can add it as an attachment or you can add it as a link. So if you want to use it as a link, go ahead and press on add link right over here. And then afterwards, you can go ahead and type your email and then go ahead and press on send. You guys could also change the permission from Google Drive itself. So if you want to change the permissions, you want the other person to like edit the documents or something like that, or maybe you have Google Docs, and what you can do is you can go ahead and select on these three buttons, then select over here where it says share. Then you can go ahead and select on share. And you can determine whether you want a particular email or person to actually have editor permissions and stuff like that, or you can select on anyone with this link and you can give them the permissions, then press on done. But anyways, afterwards you should be good to go. Then you just want to press on send and you are good to go. So here's how the email does look like. So the recipient is going to get something that looks like this, and they can go ahead and press on this, and then it is going to open up the image or whatever Google Drive file you sent. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.